Hello friends, welcome to my new channel. Today we will learn how to make tikki. Ingredients for tikki are 4 to 6 boiled potatoes, salt, pepper, chopped coriander, chopped chili, lemon and rice flour. Now add 1 and a half tablespoon pepper, 1 tablespoon salt according to your taste. Add chopped coriander and chili and squeeze 1 lemon. Now add 2-3 spoons of rice flour and mix the batter properly to make a dough. At certain intervals you can add more and more rice flour until you can make it a proper dough. If you don't have rice flour, you can make it at home. Take rice and you can grind it in a mixture, but make sure you should grind properly. Now put a dough in a bowl and leave it for 10 minutes undisturbed. Meanwhile, you can take a pan and put oil into it. Now on a gas on a low flame. After 10 minutes, take dough and start making circular tikkis. I have made medium size. You can make it small, large or medium, anyone which you like. I have made 11 tikkis with 6 potatoes. You can check your oil is heated or not by putting a small amount of dough into it. If there is bubble flows out, it means your oil is ready for tikki. Now put tikki into it. Make sure that your tikki must not fully immerse into the oil. Only one part should immerse into it. Deep fry it properly. Now the other side. After frying, your tikki is ready. Now you can present it well by using sauce, chutney and curd. Now it's ready to serve. Happy eating! If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel and share also. Thank you.